Are you tired of spending endless hours in the kitchen, struggling with outdated tools that just don't cut it? Well, get ready to be amazed because in today's video, we're revealing 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets that will not only transform your cooking experience, but make you wonder how you ever lived without them. Ever struggled with grinding herbs or spices manually? Meet the game changer, an electric herb grinder with a powerful motor that makes grinding a breeze. With its large capacity and 360-degree stainless steel blades, this gadget can process up to 120 grams of herbs or spices in just a few seconds. Say hello to the ultimate all-in-one kitchen assistant, your very own smart food processor and cooking robot. Designed to replace multiple kitchen tools, this smart appliance boasts 21 professional cooking functions that effortlessly handle everything from boiling and blending to weighing and juicing. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, the intuitive 7-inch touchscreen and 2,000-plus guided recipes mean you can whip up restaurant-quality meals right in your kitchen, with no guesswork. Imagine waking up to a perfect cup of barista-style coffee every single day. With this fully automatic espresso machine, you're just one touch away from 19 different coffee creations. The 7-inch touchscreen makes brewing as easy as pressing a button, and each recipe is fully customizable, whether it's strength, temperature, or milk froth. You can even save up to 10 unique user profiles, so everyone in your home can get their favorite brew, every time. Ever dreamed of brewing your own craft beer at home? Now you can turn that dream into reality with this fully automatic smart beer brewing system. With just one click, this brewing machine does all the work, delivering perfectly brewed beer every single time. From smooth Bavarian wheat to rich pale ales, you can enjoy professional quality beer without the hassle of traditional brewing. What if you could enjoy the rich, smoky flavors of grilled food, all from the comfort of your kitchen? Meet the 2-in-1 electric indoor grill, designed to bring the barbecue experience indoors, minus the mess. With multiple cooking options, this grill is perfect for everything from juicy burgers and sizzling steaks to perfectly roasted veggies and crispy shrimp. The 16 by 9-inch non-stick plate makes it ideal for small gatherings and family meals alike. Imagine a pressure cooker so smart, it practically does the cooking for you. Introducing the Smart Pressure Cooker, a kitchen powerhouse that goes beyond just cooking. This high-tech appliance doesn't just cook your meals, it guides you step by step with over 600 recipes from the Chef IQ app, complete with how-to videos and a built-in cooking calculator. But that's not all. This pressure cooker gets smarter over time. With wireless updates, you'll receive new features and improvements, ensuring your device is always on the cutting edge of cooking technology. Who says you need a brick oven to make authentic pizza at home? Meet the Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven, a compact powerhouse that brings the pizzeria experience right to your countertop. This oven can bake a perfectly crispy Neapolitan pizza in just 5 minutes. But it doesn't stop there. Think New York style, deep dish, or even a cheesy Detroit style pizza, this oven masters them all. Why wait 24 hours for cold brew when you can have it in minutes? Meet the Express 2 Cold Brew Coffee Maker, the solution for coffee lovers who crave speed and flavor without compromise. Thanks to its advanced Circle Flow brewing technology, this electric cold brew maker delivers smooth, less acidic coffee in as little as 10 minutes. Choose between 3 brew strengths, light, medium, or bold, to get the perfect cup every time. Craving freshly baked donuts, but don't want to wait? Introducing the Mini Donut Maker Machine, a fun and easy way to whip up cute, tasty mini donuts right in your kitchen. This compact kitchen gadget bakes up to 7 perfectly round mini donuts in just minutes. Whether you like them filled, glazed, or with a rainbow of sprinkles, the possibilities are endless. Tired of lingering kitchen odors? Introducing the portable wired range hood, a compact yet powerful solution for cleaner, fresher air in any cooking space. And when it's time to clean, it's as easy. This means no more scrubbing or dealing with stubborn grease. Just a few minutes, and it's good as new. And there you have it, 10 must-have kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience. Whether you're a coffee lover, a home chef, or just looking to make meal prep easier, these Amazon finds have you covered.